How to allow participants of your Microsoft Teams meeting to share their screen and windows. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can enable the screen and window sharing from your participants in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So let's say if you are in a Microsoft Teams meeting and you would like to see the screen of your participants which are present in the meeting, then you might need to enable this setting, especially if they are not able to share their screen. So let me show you how you can enable this for your participants. So once you are inside the interface of your Teams, you will see a structure or UI like this. Now in this UI, you can see this more actions button right here at the top. So simply click onto this more button, and once you will do, you will see a menu appearing like this. Now in this menu, you need to click onto this settings option, or you can hover your cursor over it. The moment you will do, two further sub options will appear, that is meeting options and accessibility. You need to choose the first one, that is meeting options, and within the meeting options that appear just over the right hand side of the screen, you can see the second line that says who can present. So as you can see, currently it is set to only me. So instead of only me, you can click onto this and choose everyone. Now once you will click onto everyone, it will make sure that everyone will be able to share their screen or window in the meeting. And in order to save these changes, click onto the save button, and once the changes are saved, your participants will be able to share their screen and windows. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.